Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Yahoo Fantasy Sports account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Yahoo Fantasy app on your mobile device. Once you're on the app, navigate to the bottom left corner where you see your profile picture. Click on that icon. At the top of the screen, you will see your profile picture and just to the left, your account balance. Tap on your account balance to proceed. On this screen, you'll find more account information. Under the Wallet section, you'll see options for add funds and withdraw funds. Click on Withdraw Funds. You will then need to sign into your Yahoo account. After signing in, you will be prompted to choose how you want to withdraw funds from your Yahoo wallet. The primary option available is linking your PayPal account, which is also how you deposited money onto Yahoo Fantasy. Click on Link PayPal account and sign in to your PayPal. Once linked, you can specify how much you would like to withdraw. In this case, I will withdraw the full amount of $20.50. The app will confirm that the funds will be sent to your connected PayPal account. Ensure that the PayPal email address is correct before proceeding. Finally, click on Withdraw for the specified amount and the withdrawal will be successful. So that's basically how you withdraw money from Yahoo Fantasy Sports. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.